Hello students, in this video we are going to go through how to access MyStatLab and then a few features of MyStatLab that I think are worth noting. So before fall 2018, to access MyStatLab, we used to have to go through a different website, create a new account, and do everything a little bit of a longer way. But now everything is integrated starting fall 2018. So go to courses once you're in Canvas, go to our course over here. Then on the left-hand side, we see this My Lab and Mastering. And this is the Pearson product that we will be using for this course for all our homework, all our quizzes, and all our tests, not including the final, of course. So once you're here, go to Open My Lab and Mastering. This sometimes can take a minute. If it's the first time you're ever opening it, you might have to constantly check up here to see if your browser is blocking any pop-ups. So now we are in MyLab statistics. So a few things over here. As usual, the left is your sidebar, which gives you access to everything, including all your assignments as well. Other things to note is you can access your e-text right here. You can also go to Course Tools and then access the ebook as well. Once you're in the ebook right here, you have your table of contents, and you can do a really easy browse the textbook pretty easily as well. Looking through here, again, that was from Course Tools, or from your main menu, there's an ebook as well, e-text as well. There's also this Tools for Success, and these have a whole bunch of information for you. There's stat talk videos, which a guy talks through a lot of the concepts in this course. There's review cards. There's applets, which is a whole bunch of different videos and information about how to access and understand different things as well. And they're pretty interactive too, so you can type in your values and have drop-down bars. I'm just showing you all these different things for you to use. And then there's also Statcrunch. And Statcrunch I want to have a separate video on, since we'll be using this a lot as well. So that's just kind of showing you MyStatLab a little bit. Your view will, of course, be a little bit different. Actually, I think I might be able to give you a student view. Maybe not. Yours will look a little different because I'm obviously from the instructor's side, but you'll be able to see all of your assignments on the left bar, and then all the due dates, all the homeworks, quizzes, tests, and then it'll give you a pretty good job of seeing what is expected of you for this course. Another thing to note, when you are doing homework, so let's just pretend we're doing a little bit of homework right now. Okay. Maybe this isn't a great example. I want to show you one where there's actually numerical problem solving. So let's just go to section 4.1. Chapter 1 doesn't actually have any number solving. So let's say we're looking at this problem right here. And, I kind of need a little bit of help with some of these. I can go over to question help and then view an example. And then this will give you step-by-step instructions on how to solve these problems. In addition, you might need to try to analyze the data, and you'll be using technology to solve a lot of things for you. So there's several different technologies out there. You can use Wolfram Alpha, Microsoft Excel, Minidisk. There's a whole bunch of them. In this course, I will be focusing on teaching you how to do things with your TI-84 and then Statcrunch. What is Statcrunch? Statcrunch is a built-in software program that will do incredible computations for you very easily. How do you access Statcrunch? Well, it's over here on the side, or if you're in your homework, you can do the question help and then hit Statcrunch right here. Then it'll come up. Sometimes for certain problems, they'll have the data easily accessible, so you don't have to self-populate it. And here's how you access Statcrunch. How you actually do things with Statcrunch? Well, I'll show you them as we unveil them as we go through the semester. But here's how you at least access Statcrunch. You can pop this out if you want to have a window by itself. But this is basically how you get to Statcrunch. And that's pretty much all I need to show you about MyLab and Statcrunch as of right now.